Welcome to your custom deep dive. Today we're looking at a spec sheet from HDTVSupply.
Yeah, a really interesting piece of hardware today.
Right, it's for this heavy-duty AV equipment called the Smart-AVI P2P-KVT302 transmitter. And our mission today is basically to decode this highly technical document. We want to understand the invisible infrastructure that's powering these massive, complex audio and video setups.
Exactly, because it's infrastructure you don't usually see, but is literally everywhere.
Right, but I mean, before we get into the weeds, I have to push back a little on something.
Let me guess. The price tag.
Yes, the price. It's $1,274.15. I mean, why do you need to spend that much just to transmit video and USB? It sounds like a router on steroids.
Well, it's a premium price because of the sheer scale of what this device is built for. I mean,
Yeah.
we're talking about moving data over massive distances in these mission-critical environments.
Like military bases or...
Yeah, or sprawling government facilities, huge sports arenas, places where you just can't afford a single glitch. So over a standard CT5 cable, it transmits up to 100 meters, which is, fine.
Bogey standard, yeah.
Right. But if you switch to single-mode fiber, it can push that exact same data an incredible 10 kilometers.
Wow. Okay, let's unpack this. 10 kilometers. That is essentially taking a pristine 4K video signal or like a 1080p signal at 60 hertz and throwing it across an entire city without dropping a single...
Without dropping a single pixel, exactly.
But wait, if you're pushing a signal miles across a city, wouldn't a standard network setup totally bottleneck the USB return? Like, your mouse would be completely out of sync with the screen. You can't operate secure software with a 2-second delay on your cursor.
You'd think so, but what's fascinating here is how it handles that. It totally bypasses standard compression methods and uses this ultra-low latency JPEG 2000 compression.
Oh, okay, so it's way faster.
Yeah, instead of trying to compress multiple frames of video at once, which causes lag, it compresses and decompresses each individual frame instantaneously. Right.
That speed allows for what they call a transparent USB 2.0 extension.
Transparent meaning the computer doesn't even know the mouse is far away, right?
Exactly. Your computer has no idea the keyboard and mouse are miles away, so you get perfect real-time emulation. Zero noticeable lag.
That is wild. And here's where it gets really interesting, because it's not just moving raw video and mouse clicks. It effortlessly carries massive audio files, too.
They're huge uncompressed files.
Like, it handles PCM 7.1 and Dolby True HD without breaking a sweat, all through this really simple plug-and-play installation. Plus, it has that ED learning feature, so it memorizes your monitor's digital ID card, basically.
Right, which brings us to why this specific hardware matters so much for commercial setups. When you're managing complex digital signage or, say, secure data centers, you can't have screens going blank.
You literally cannot afford downtime.
Exactly. And the environmental specs on this thing highlight a staggering number. The mean time between failures, or MTBF, is 135,540 hours.
Okay, I actually did the math on that before we started. Oh, you did? What does that come out to?
That is over 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 15 years of continuous, unbroken reliability for this unit that, by the way, only weighs 1.41 pounds.
It's basically install it and forget it exists.
Right, and you can even manage it centrally via SmartAVI, though. The spec sheet does note that the gateway is sold separately.
A slight catch, sure, but that centralized management is so crucial for those massive, decade-long deployments.
Yeah, absolutely. So, just to wrap up, this compact transmitter really is the ultimate shortcut to flawless long-distance AV networking.
It's the silent workhorse keeping massive networks running, for sure.
It really is. Which leaves you with a question to ponder. If a single device the size of a paperback book can flawlessly bridge a 10-kilometer physical gap with zero latency, how much of our supposedly wireless digital world is actually tethered together by hidden fiber optic lifelines just beneath our feet?